How to meditate in 7 simple steps. Science shows that meditation lowers stress, increases mental clarity, and improves sleep. My favorite benefit of meditation is that it quiets the chaos in our minds so we can listen to our intuition. Meditation is an ancient technique that has been used for centuries to reduce anxiety and improve mental health. It is also one of the most effective ways to keep your mind sharp and focused. When we are not present, we miss out on the richness of life. The smell of our dog's fur as we hug him, the way the sun feels on our skin, a smile from a loved one, the flavor of dark chocolate as we savor every bite. By training our minds to live more in each present moment, we stop seeking peace and serenity and realize it's right here, right now. The following is a guide for getting started with meditation in 7 easy steps. Number 1. Sit upright comfortably. If you're like me and you try to meditate while lying down, you'll fall asleep. Instead, sit in a comfortable chair with an upright back. Get a meditation cushion or fold a pillow and sit cross-legged on it, which will help support your back. Number 2. Breathe deeply. The breath. The wonderful breath. It's our anchor to the present moment and a tool available at all times. Start by taking 10 deep breaths and counting to 5 during each exhale and inhale. Allow your lungs to fill up as you inhale, and then slowly exhale through your nose, allowing your shoulders to drop. Repeat. Number 3. Gently close your eyes. If you're not doing so already, I suggest closing your eyes to help you focus. It's easy to give our mind an excuse to wander when we're staring at our laundry that needs to be done. Number 4. Slowly scan your body and notice any sensations. I love this step because it's checking in with our bodies. How many times a day do we ask others, "How are you?" A lot. How many times a day do we ask our body, "How are you?" Hardly ever. It's an opportunity to check in with your body, which is an effective way to bring you into the present moment. Start by focusing on your feet and moving up to the top of your head. Notice if there is tension anywhere, and if there is, consciously send breath in the direction of that body part. Number 5. Be aware of any thoughts you are having. Do you ever get stuck overthinking? Here's a chance to notice your thoughts without getting roped in by them. Imagine each thought is like a cloud in the sky, and you're the observer. Notice what thoughts are present. I need to call my mom. I have to go to the grocery store. Allow each thought to come up and pass by, without any judgment or attachment. Number 6. When your mind wanders, focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, it will come home to your breath. Your breath is the number 1 tool to help you stay grounded, connected, and focused at the moment. When you focus on your breathing, your heart rate slows down, your mind begins to quiet, and your body can relax. Number 7. Gently open your eyes when you are ready. I suggest practicing meditation for 5 to 10 minutes in the beginning. The best time of the day to do it is in the morning, before having coffee, if you're a caffeine consumer. Connecting to your breath will set the tone for your day. It's a positive and empowering tool to practice beyond the pillow and throughout the day. Even if you don't have an opportunity to close your eyes, you can practice conscious breathing during a meeting, in a traffic jam, or even a conversation. Find your inner peace with one of these wonderful meditation breaks.